good morning, my lovely world, and welcome back to another episode of my traveling adventures. Today I am going to be featuring Parrot Key Resorts right here in Key West. So if you guys want to see where I'm gonna stay with my friends and family for the next 5 days, just keep watching. And finally we got to our beautiful villa. This is where we're gonna stay for the next few days, having fun. I'm gonna show you inside very soon. So this is my beautiful villa. So I think this is gonna be my room. I don't know who else is gonna fight with me for this one. So keep following me. Wow, this is amazing. I love it. Okay, there is some lights right here. This is the bathroom. Let's just see the bathroom. Wow, I love it. Definitely keeping this room for myself. I'm sorry about my friends. Wow, this is the master bedroom. I'm sure it is. And it has a balcony. Do you guys want to see the balcony? Let's see the beautiful view that I'm going to start. Oh my God. This is an amazing, beautiful villa. You guys want to see the upstairs? There's a lot more up here, so keep following me. Okay, I don't want to show you my undies. Okay, so if my other friends want to fight me over that room, I think this one is a pretty good one for me. What do you guys think? It's big enough, huge bed. It also has a balcony. Let's see the view. Now it's gonna be so hard for me to decide which one to take. This one is pretty beautiful too. Let's see the bathroom. Let's go back inside. And oh, I have a bathtub! I can't wait to have my glass of rosé and some bubbles and enjoy it. Now I'm gonna show you the living room, and there's one more room. So, I guess my brother is already conquered the living room because there is a soccer game playing right now. Who is it playing, Andres?
Barcelona.
So he's a fanatic of the Barcelona. So this is our tiny living room. We also have another balcony here. I love this villa. It has so many balconies. Oh, but here we have the view of the amazing pool. This is the pool I'm going to enjoy for 5 days. Don't think this is over. There's one more bedroom up here. This is the third and last floor. Oh, this is a cute one. Well, I do not want to sleep on this one. He's really, really hot. But he's cute. And this one doesn't have a balcony. So yeah, I am the lucky one because my brother and I got here before anybody else. Let's see. It's just a closet. And this is my favorite place from the entire resort because you can watch the sunset. There's no one here right now, and it's super romantic at night. Time to have fun in this beautiful, amazing pool. Follow me. Now we're gonna see this beautiful bar area in Parrot Key Resort. So here we can have some breakfast, lunch, dinner, wine, and this is another pool. I love this place. I love that no one is here. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode. If you guys like this video, please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification button so you will know as soon as I get another video up. Thank you so much. Ciao, ciao.